Hello passionate gardener. Today I'll be showing you my elephant ear plant. You can see this very big and thriving. As other plants, I have planted this in a pot and the leaves are very big, the stems are big. The elephant ear is edible. We can eat the stems, leaves, but it has to be thoroughly cooked. There are side shoots are coming up. They are going to transform to a new plant, and I planted them outside in the UK around March because they love warm and humid conditions. We have to water them regularly and clean those bays, and weed also need to be removed for optimum growth, because if your soil is too dry your plant might be got damaged. So keep watering them. This is a different variety of elephant ear, but both are edible. The new plants come for this one as well. I'll be harvesting those plants today, and just to let you know, these need to be over winter. They cannot be outside for the winter time. Either it has to be moved to indoor or need to take out the bulb and store for the next year. I planted around March, and by the 3 months time, 3 to 4 months time, I have a lot of leaves coming up. I'll be harvesting today for enjoying the taste of this elephant ear stems. They're really nice, must try, a good taste one, and very healthy. Taking those leaves out is also easy. Just need to cut around the leaves and just little bit of pressure on top, it will come out. So this plant can be planted as an ornamental plant as well, indoor or outdoor, or also can be used as an edible. But all varieties may not be edible, so while you're planting, make sure you know the right variety. This is the one I knew for certain it's edible, that's why I'm taking this out leaves and stems. I'll take from both of them and going to enjoy the taste. This is also known as Tora or Kochu, and this is also enriched with vitamin C and A, and its iron content is easily absorbed by our body. This is rich in fiber, may help with controlling blood sugar, may help with reduce your risk of heart diseases. This also can help you to lose weight. Also, it's good for your gut. So lot of benefits indeed on this plant and the stems, and it's delicious in taste as well. You can see I have done the harvesting part for this plant. I'll do the other plant and going to enjoy all together. And if you have ever tried this, let me know in comments. If you have not, do try. Easy to grow, in a container is fine. If you put in the ground, it will be grow more quickly and you will have lot of new plants coming in no times. Hope you like the video and content. I do share gardening tips and videos, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, bye bye passionate gardener.